Choosing the right electric kettle is crucial for enhancing your daily routine. Whether you're a tea enthusiast, a coffee aficionado, or just need a quick way to boil water, in this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric kettles. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best electric kettles. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Kettle. Hamilton Beach Electric Kettle is designed for those who value convenience and reliability. Its powerful 1500 watts heating element quickly brings water to a boil, perfect for tea, coffee, and instant meals. The 1.7-liter capacity ensures you have plenty of hot water for family use or entertaining guests. The kettle's cordless design and 360-degree swivel base make it easy to lift and pour from any angle, adding to its user-friendly appeal. The automatic shutoff feature kicks in once the water reaches boiling point, and the boil-dry protection prevents the kettle from operating without water, safeguarding against accidents. The water level window allows for precise measurements, and the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip. Number 4. Muller Ultra Kettle. The Muller Ultra Kettle is a powerhouse in the kitchen, combining speed, safety, and style. Its speed boil technology heats water rapidly, making it perfect for busy households. The 1.8-liter capacity is ample for multiple cups of tea or coffee, and the borosilicate glass body is both durable and visually appealing. The LED light illuminates the water as it heats, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen routine and allowing you to see the boiling process. Additionally, the auto shutoff and boil-dry protection ensure that the kettle turns off when the water reaches the desired temperature, or if there's no water inside, preventing accidents. The cordless design and 360-degree swivel base make it easy to handle and pour, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Number 3. OXO Brew Gooseneck Electric Kettle. The OXO Brew Gooseneck Electric Kettle is a dream come true for pour-over coffee and tea enthusiasts. Its precision pour spout and counterbalanced handle provide ultimate control, making it easy to achieve the perfect pour every time. The adjustable temperature settings allow you to heat water to the ideal temperature for your specific brewing needs, while the built-in brew timer ensures consistency in every cup. Its 1-liter capacity is perfect for personal use or small gatherings, and the sleek stainless steel design complements any kitchen decor. The intuitive LED interface displays the temperature and lets you know when your water is ready, eliminating guesswork. The kettle also features a 30-minute keep warm function, so your water stays at the perfect temperature while you prepare your brew. Number 2. Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Gooseneck Kettle is the epitome of form and function for pour-over aficionados. Its minimalist matte black finish paired with a stylish walnut handle makes it a stunning piece in any kitchen. Beyond aesthetics, this kettle boasts precision temperature control, allowing you to set your desired temperature to the exact degree. The quick heating element ensures your water is ready in no time, making it perfect for busy mornings or impromptu gatherings. Designed with the serious brewer in mind, the Fellow Stagg EKG features a precision pour spout and a counterbalanced handle that offers a steady, controlled pour every time. The built-in LCD screen displays both the desired and real-time temperatures, ensuring accuracy. The hold function maintains your set temperature for up to 60 minutes, so you can brew at your leisure. Number 1. Cuisinart CPK17 Perfect Temp Electric Kettle. With 6 pre-programmed temperature settings, the Cuisinart CPK17 Perfect Temp Electric Kettle ensures the perfect brew for your favorite beverages, from delicate green teas to robust coffees. Its 1.7-liter capacity is ideal for family use, and the 360-degree swivel cordless connector makes it convenient to handle and pour. The stainless steel construction not only provides a sleek look, but also guarantees durability, making it a reliable appliance for years to come. The backlit water window allows you to see exactly how much water is inside, while the Stay Cool non-slip handle ensures a secure grip. The kettle also features boil-dry protection and auto shutoff, so you can feel confident leaving it unattended. Whether you're an avid tea drinker or need hot water for cooking, This kettle's precision and ease of use make it the top pick for any household. As we've seen, each of these best electric kettles brings something unique to the table, from precise temperature controls to rapid boiling and elegant designs. No matter which kettle you choose, you're sure to enjoy a better brewing experience and more convenience in your kitchen. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.